Unit 1 Exam Review, question number 6. Consider the conditional statement. If you eat a whole box of donuts, then you will get a stomachache. Under which of the following conditions would the conditional statement be false? Over here on the right-hand side, I have lesson number 3 brought up as to the truth value of conditional statements. The example that was used in the book is that Anthony has a headache and he needs to take a pill to see if the headache will go away. The only way for this to be a false conclusion is if he takes the pill and his headache does not end up going away. So another example would be to, and I kind of liked this one, in our former book we used the example of somebody making an electoral statement. If I am elected, then I will decrease taxes. So the if-then statement is if this person is elected, then taxes will decrease. If that person is elected and taxes decrease, then great. Her statement was true, she was honest. However, if the person was not elected, then it doesn't matter what the outcome is, because if the person was not elected, then we can't say that the person was making a true or false statement, because there's no way to say anything further if the proposition or the premise at the beginning doesn't have hasn't occurred. Same thing with Anthony. If he doesn't end up taking the pill, then we can't make any conclusion about his headache because he didn't follow through on the first part. So on our example here, if we eat a whole box of donuts, then you will get a stomachache. So down here, you don't eat any sugar today. That tells me that I did not eat any of the donuts. So I don't even need to look at the rest of it because I know that this part did not happen, so we don't even need to see if there was a stomachache that occurred. So that one cannot be false because there was nothing to say that, or we can't make any conclusion. So we actually have to say that it's true. We move to the next one. You eat a whole pizza. That has nothing to do with eating the box of donuts. So this statement right here, this conditional statement, you need to assume will be true because this right here does not confirm that you ate the box of donuts. Let's move to the next one. You eat half a box of donuts. Again, we didn't eat the whole box of donuts, so you can't make any sort of conclusion as to whether this statement right here would occur, so we have to assume that it's true. The next one, you eat a whole pizza. Again, I'm not even going to move on to the end part because this did not conclude that I actually ate the whole box of donuts. So that right there means that my conditional statement is true because I did not confirm eating the whole box of donuts, same as taking the pill or the person being elected. The last one, you eat a whole box of donuts. Okay, I eat a whole box of donuts. I have then done the first part of the conditional statement. Let's see what the next part says. And you don't get a stomachache. This one predicts that you will get a stomachache. So this says, I went ahead and I ate the box of donuts. I didn't get a stomachache. So the original conditional statement is false. All of these other ones has to make it true because it doesn't confirm that first part. So this is the only one that will make that false. And so when you're working through this in the exam, you'll want to do that. Look for what will make this first part true. And if you're looking for it to be false, you want something that will make this false. If you're looking for it to be true, even if it has confirmed the first and then it confirmed the last, that makes it true. So make sure that you are looking for what makes the whole entire statement false. And we can check this one. And if you don't have that option on yours, you can go ahead and press grade or submit and then go back in since you have unlimited access to the review, and you can then go back in and see if you have a green check mark. Good luck on your homework.